Hello everybody, and today we are going to use Datetime in Python. So first of all, I'm going to import this into the program. Import, and it's called Datetime. Okay, so we're just going to create a function, and I'm going to call the function intro. So it's going to give us a little intro. And I'm going to print, let's have a look, want to know the date, and we're going to get yes or no. Want to know the date, yes or no. Okay, and oh dear, entry 1. So in fact we don't need to put this here because I'm going to do it in the input function. So I want to know the date, so that'll just print up that message, and I'm going to say entry 1 is equal to input. So we're going to get the user input here. It's going to be a choice, yes or no. Okay, that's going to be the choice, yes or no. Okay, yes or no. So, if entry 1 dot lower, we do dot lower here. So anything that's typed in the input is reduced to lowercase. Okay, is equal to yes. And we're going to do something. So we're going to go time now. Call it not time. Yeah, we'll just call it time now. Why not? Time now. Okay, so I'm going to create this function now. So we're going to go here and we're going to define the function called time now. Okay, and we're going to do this. Oh dear, sorry, I didn't finish off that with the else statement. Else. Okay, let's give it another option. Let's say quit. Okay, so we'll just quit the program. Okay, right, time now. Let's get working on this. Okay, so print here. Let's have a look. I'm going to put the date is, so we're just going to output the date on this, and hit a new line there. The date is. Okay, so we're going to do time now. Time now is equal to date. Sorry about that. Date time dot date time dot now. Okay, right, now we're going to print out the output of this. I really have. I'm gonna have to cough again. Sorry about that, folks. The chest is playing up tonight a little bit. Okay, so let's have a look. So we're going to print this out. So it's going to be time now dot year. Okay, time now dot year, and it's going to be time now dot month. And we're going to format the string a little bit. So time now dot str f time. So we're going to format it. I'm going to use this so it formats. So I'm going to do that and that there. Okay. So now we've done that. So what we want to do, we want to call the program. Start with intro here. So this is how we're going to call the program. Start the program up. Of course, we've got to save it. And now let's run it, shall we? So run the module there, and got a little bit of an error there. Let's have a look. Hey, yeah, it's basically a typo that's happened here, so we're just going to have to find the typo. Okay folks, there is the error. So intro. Okay, that's better. Let's save that now. Let's run the program. Okay, so want to know the date? Yes. Okay, so I could have formatted that better, but you can put this at the front if you want. So I've got the year, and I've got the month here, and of course I've got the day. I could actually add the time in and everything else, but this is just a basic example for you to follow. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's helped you out, and remember to like and subscribe. It will really help my channel grow. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.